Hi, do you have the new and improved Lurpiv 3 trucks? The ones with the redesigned geometry, stronger heat-treated aluminum hanger and baseplate, SCM steel axle and kingpin, and the new casting process. I heard they switched away from the old inverted kingpin design, improved the grind lock-in, reduced wheel bite, and made them turn smoother while staying stable. Yes, they just came in yesterday. Are you looking for the hollow or solid version? Please give me a set of the hollows, as I would like to save up to 7% of weight compared to the solid truck as a result of the hollow kingpin and axle. Great choice.